The ZCDWL 2-Zone Wireless Comfort Control provides the same comfort as traditional zoning, but installs in as little as 2 hours using a low-level tech and has a low material cost, about $350 for a typical installation. Sell the installation at half the cost of traditional zoning and make about $1,200 for a 2-hour call, while providing the homeowner with a low-cost, effective comfort solution. The ZCDWL system eliminates the bypass damper and duct, the discharge air temperature sensor, the separate 24 VAC transformer, the zoning panel, and the second thermostat. The comfort control works with the existing thermostat that controls the activation of heating and cooling calls, while the ZCDWL controls the distribution of heating and cooling based on the zone temperatures to provide whole home comfort and energy savings. The ZCDWL features patented modulating zoning and has significant advantages over traditional zoning. Wireless controls eliminate new wiring in the home. Bypass is eliminated because the modulating dampers never close. Installing the zoning panel and the upstairs thermostat is eliminated. Installing the separate transformer, electrical box, and the wiring required in traditional zoning is eliminated because the controls and dampers are low power and are powered by the equipment 24 VAC. Installing the discharge air temperature sensor is eliminated because the discharge air temperature is not affected by modulating zoning. Low material cost and half the labor allows you to offer homeowners a great comfort solution at a low price without sacrificing profit. Let's take a look at the simple installation. 2 modulating plug-and-play dampers are installed, one in the trunk feeding the upstairs zone and one in the trunk feeding the downstairs zone. The damper control is installed near the equipment and wires to gas electric equipment terminals R, C, Y, and W, or to heat pump equipment terminals R, C, Y, O, or B, and E for 24 VAC power and to monitor the equipment for heating and cooling calls. The dampers connect to the damper control using the included plug-and-play cables. A wireless temperature sensor is installed in the upstairs sleeping zone, is battery-powered, and requires no wiring. The 2-zone comfort control is installed in the downstairs zone, is also battery-powered, requires no wiring, and is compatible with the existing smart thermostat, OEM thermostat, or any simple 24 VAC thermostat. Alternately, the comfort control can be installed in the upstairs zone and the sensor installed in the downstairs zone. The 2-zone control, temperature sensor, and the damper control come pre-linked and communicate wirelessly. Now let's look at how the system works. The 2-zone comfort control monitors the equipment for heating and cooling calls and monitors the downstairs temperature at its location and the upstairs temperature at the sensor. If the upstairs and downstairs temperatures differ by 2 degrees or more, the 2-zone control automatically distributes more heating or cooling to the zone that needs it. The ZCDWL does not change the airflow through the equipment or its efficiency. During the summer, when there's likely a greater demand for cooling upstairs, the upstairs damper fully opens and the downstairs damper closes 2% every 2 minutes, forcing more cooling to the upstairs zone, improving comfort upstairs without overcooling the downstairs. During the winter, when there's likely a greater demand for heating downstairs, the downstairs damper fully opens and the upstairs damper closes 2% every 2 minutes, forcing more heating to the downstairs zone, improving comfort downstairs without overheating the upstairs. The 2-zone comfort control dynamically adjusts the dampers to find the right distribution of heating or cooling to provide whole home comfort and save energy in every season. The damper actuator uses less than 2 VA when positioning and 1 VA when holding position and has twice the torque of most spring return actuators. The actuator uses a DC motor with electronic control for long life and has been tested to over 9 million cycles. Plug-and-play connection eliminates wiring errors. Every homeowner has unique comfort needs, and the ZCDWL control meets these needs. For whole home comfort, Auto Comfort will keep the upstairs and downstairs temperatures within 2 degrees. Upstairs zone not being used, the homeowner can focus more heating or cooling downstairs and less to the unoccupied upstairs, improving comfort and saving energy. Home office in the upstairs zone. The homeowner can focus more heating or cooling upstairs and less downstairs, again improving comfort and saving energy. The homeowner can save 30% in energy at night by using auto sleep to automatically direct 30% more heating or cooling to the upstairs sleeping zone and 30% less to the unoccupied downstairs zone. The ZCDWL was recognized for excellence in product design in the 2024 Dealer Design Awards program, sponsored by the ACHR News, and was awarded the Gold in the Residential Controls category and has been used in thousands of homes. With over 20 years' experience designing and manufacturing zoning products for other zoning manufacturers and OEMs, eControls brings innovative and cost-effective products to the zoning market. The ZCDWL 2-Zone Wireless Comfort Control is a win-win. Whole home comfort and energy savings for the homeowner, and a profitable installation for the contractor. $1,200 for a 2-hour call. To learn more or to join the growing number of contractors using 2-Zone comfort controls, give us a call.